This video, 4 of my friends try and hunt me down and stop me from beating Minecraft. Can they stop me from beating the Ender Dragon, or will I survive? This is Minecraft Manhunt. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up enjoying this video, consider subscribing. It's free, and you can always change your mind. Enjoy. We're doing this same circle thing again. Like last time.
Square thing.
Ooh.
He's going!
Get him!
Get him! Go!
Oh my gosh. Oh god.
Leave
me alone!
Guys, come on. Go faster. Run
boost
faster. I'm boosting you. Oh wait, I'm ahead now. Go bad. Oh, I missed. What?
Try and pick up six. I'm trying. He's
Get him!
moving.
Get him!
Oh, I'm right behind him. Someone, one more boost.
I'm not close enough. You're like just a bit far off.
There's a ravine!
There's a ravine.
Hit him in! Hit him in!
Try and
I
knock him
boosted
in.
you.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Get him! Watch out!
Careful. Don't. Oh my goodness.
Just
Wait,
take your
go
time,
around, go around.
Get some blocks, get some blocks.
Oh
Ouch,
my
ouch.
Yeah,
gosh.
careful,
Push me
careful,
in.
careful.
Chill. Alright, get across.
Okay, go. Wait, where'd he go?
Oh my
He went
gosh.
this way.
Get this
Go
tree!
towards
Get
the
this
sun.
tree!
Oh, he must be at the savannah head.
Yeah, there's a fan. Oh, there's one of those pillager thingies. Did you go that way?
Yeah, come this way.
Okay.
Follow
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, go that way.
Compass don't lie. Compass don't lie.
Oh, Dream, where are you? I know you don't have a tree because there's only cactuses here.
Oh my gosh.
Lots
Do you
of
see his-
cactuses.
Do you see his name? Do you think he went in it?
He's down there. I see him. I see him.
Yeah, get him. Oh, Dream.
Oh, he's trapped down in there.
Now, Dream.
He's trapped.
He's stuck. Wait.
Get back. I'm holding up.
Does anyone have any
Mine?
Break the TNT.
He jumped down.
Did you blow it up? Oh, nice.
Smart.
I am the one, the weapons, I don't need the guns to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son who popped the clock.
Kill him.
I'm
He's
on one and a half
boxed
hearts.
in. Does anyone have a pick? Ah, we don't have anything.
I have sticks. I have
Break it with
sticks.
your hand. Break
Break
it.
it.
He has to be solo.
Go,
I don't
come on.
know about you, but I'm really low.
Just break it and start punching.
He's right there. Wait.
Oh, break it, punch him.
Come on.
No.
Ah, stand up, I'm sorry. Kill him. Ah, I'm so low. Punch him. He's got one. He's got some.
Oh my god, I'm on a half
Oh
heart.
my goodness. Are you kidding? George, can you kill him?
What are you guys doing? Kill him.
I'm on a half
Just
a
run
heart.
back, run back, run
Wait, I'm
back.
stuck. No. What? Gravel.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Of course.
Bad, it's up to you. Bad, kill him.
I'm
Bad
dead.
died.
I'm dead.
Oh, bad guy.
We were
I
so
tried.
low.
Die?
We fell
All
down
died?
the thing.
Run back to the
Oh
temple.
my
Run back
god.
to the temple.
Of
No,
course, it's
he's
a
got
gravel and I
stuff.
fell.
What do we do?
Just get weapons. and
That's
we'll,
actually
we'll
so
get him
dumb.
again.
How he must have been so low.
Oh
You're up.
my
Here,
gosh.
I'm going for tools. You guys, if you're near him, stay on him. But I'm getting tools for us. Yeah, how do you survive
Well, he was like
that?
he was like
Wait,
half
yeah,
powered
How
up.
did you survive?
That doesn't make any
I
sense.
have my ways. Oh my gosh, Stone Age.
Where are you guys? I'm getting a pick.
I got a pickaxe. We're not gonna get some stones.
Okay, hurry
I'm
up.
with
Try and get swords. If we can get him before he gets full iron, we can kill him.
We can kill him even if he has full iron.
Can you get at the temple? I also saw there was a well, but I don't think those have anything.
They have diamonds.
They do.
at the
They have diamond armor in it, actually.
Oh,
It's enchanted.
I don't know if I trust you if you're saying
Yeah,
that.
there was some iron up here actually.
Where is he? What direction did he go in? Okay, looks he headed that way.
Guys, we need to like
a zombie,
attack him
man.
quickly before he gets flying.
Yeah,
Wait, who's that?
I don't have any iron.
Oh, is that bad?
Is that bad?
What iron did you get? Where are
Oh my
you?
god,
it's bad enough, we found
right
you.
Here.
Oh, perfect, perfect. You guys have food, right?
No.
I have
Okay,
uncooked
I
food.
got 3 sheep. I haven't been able to cook it yet. Let's
I got some bread from
let's
the
just go
outpost,
get
but-
him.
Alright, let's go.
Here. Everybody take one and. All right, let's hurry. I don't like the fact that he's getting iron.
Oh
Okay,
my
leave
gosh.
this here. George, where are you?
I was just cooking food. I'm
Okay,
right
just
here.
bring it. All right, right click this and let's roll. Leave that. Let's go. Hurry, go.
This way.
He is straight over here. Horses. Kill any mobs you
just-
come across, by the way.
I killed a pig. Piggy pig pig. Any mob? Should I kill this horse?
No, I mean like food. There he is. There he is. Get him.
Oh my god.
Go, 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 go.
Yo, he has a shield. Be careful. He has a shield.
Everybody has a shield.
Careful.
That does so much
Oh,
damage.
careful.
Oh my god.
Get him, get him, get him, get him,
Poke
get
his
him.
health out.
What?
What? What was that?
What was that?
What? Wait, George, back up, back up, George.
I got the answer. I got the answer.
George!
Fun.
I hit
him. Oh my goodness, that does so much damage. George, please kill him. Guys, run.
What killed us?
I don't know.
What was that?
It's like he
I don't know what to
jumped
do.
and you
Do I chase
died.
after him?
Yeah,
Should I keep this stuff? Guys, do I keep
Yeah.
like chase him or?
Try and kill
Get him,
him.
George. Get him.
He's coming up to me. He's coming up to me.
Come here, George! Come here!
Please tell me you can kill him.
Oh my god, he's right here. He's right here. He's right here. Guys, I'm luring him back.
Smelting some iron.
No, I'm gonna. I tried taking it out.
Oh god, I'm missing.
I don't have a shield.
Come
No.
on, George, please.
I don't have a shield. I can't.
George, you got this. You got this.
I think I just memed his shield. Oh, how does the axes do so much damage?
No.
He like two-shot me.
Ah.
All right, just regroup and get more tools.
I should have just
Yeah.
ran. I should have ran.
Re-equip.
We should just get
Re-equip.
iron armor at this point.
Oh my
I
god.
should have just backed
Dream,
off.
how did you just kill me and Ant? You one
Yeah, what was that? Because they
Where's my-
exploded.
What? I had iron.
We lost all of our food. So guys, if you see any mobs, kill them. Because we need it.
Getting
get
all
iron.
the stuff again.
Yeah. We should just get iron right now. He's gonna meme and like meme us if we go get him. Yeah. Ooh.
Kill the pigs here. Kill the
Pig.
pigs here.
Hello, Mr. Pig.
There's only one. Oh, there's a sheep up here. Oh, bad on the hill. There's so many mobs.
Yeah. Dang it. All of your stuff is gone. He took it. Oh, no. Some of our stuff is right here. Whose yellow leather cap was this?
That's George's. Get it for him.
Retrieve it now.
No, it's mine.
No, it's
Get my iron
mine.
sword too. Bad's greedy.
Mine. Oh, hi, guys.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Oh hi, Mark.
Oh, hi,
You know
Mark.
Battle Hills' real name is Mark? I didn't know that.
What?
That's
His
crazy.
real name's Mark
I
Zuckerberg.
didn't know that. Dream, you're going to get destroyed when
No,
we
I'm
find you.
not.
Yes, you are.
Alright.
Here,
Come
fall
find me
back
then.
to
Come
the,
find me.
The meme location.
Come show me what you
we're gonna
mean.
find you.
All right, I have full iron tools now.
Okay.
Stop it! Look what I found.
All right.
Ooh,
Guys,
get it,
you
get it,
ready?
Get it, get it. Yes!
Oh my
Like that,
gosh.
Dream?
Nice.
Oh, yeah, how many diamonds is
Give
it?
me, give me,
A lot.
give me some.
Don't
stones.
worry about it,
so-
Dream.
Okay.
Come on, guys. We need to pick up the pace.
Okay, well.
Oh no. You guys are being quiet. He's making the call. You're being mighty quiet.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yes, I like that. Oh, yes.
Oh god.
Okay, go, go. Just keep running.
Run, run,
Follow
run.
the
Pop,
compass.
Pop the strength
Follow
and
the
speed
compass.
pots. Pop the strength and speed pots. Let's go.
Yeah, okay.
Quick,
Oh
summon
my
our pet
gosh.
dragon.
Quickly. Spawn the wither. Spawn the wither.
You guys are so
We,
stupid.
we all ride a wither into battle and kill him.
I'd
Oh,
love that.
Dream. How many memes you're about to feel.
I need it.
There he is! There he is! Ah, I made him jump. Jump, Dream.
Yeah.
You
Even
did?
Samnap jumped.
You made me a little bit.
I even jumped, I'll be honest.
Well, I've got good news for you, Dream. We're just like sitting at spawn. We built a little campfire. We're roasting marshmallows, telling ghost stories. So you've got plenty of time. Don't worry. Take your time. Relax.
No way. And none.
None.
What?
None.
There's another thingy
Nine.
here.
Let's go loot it.
already looked at this.
Did he?
Get through.
Should we? He might not have. Let's just check it.
Oh my god!
Oh, he's
right
literally
He's
in
inside.
it! Kill him!
Get him!
Oh my
Okay.
goodness!
Oh no!
Running around it.
Come here, Dream.
Oh,
Oh, he's so
Mr.
down.
Dream.
He's done for.
He's so dead.
Get him, get him, get him.
I'm going.
None of us stayed on the shore.
Where you going, Dream?
Oh my gosh, this is such an oversight.
Come on.
You guys set your spawn on the bed, right?
Oh, I'm coming in there, Dream.
Oh, I've got a spoon. Go.
Stay on him.
What is this? It's like a sandstone. Oh, he's gone up. He's gone up. He's gone up.
Go back, go back,
Go, 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 go,
Go
go.
around, go around.
Hi, Dream.
Oh my
he go?
god.
Get him, get him, get him.
I just did a lower damage to him.
Oh, Mr. Dream.
Oh my god, leave me
on.
alone! Please just leave me
Come on,
alone.
Get him, get him.
Get him, man.
Leave
Get him.
me alone.
Woo! Get him, boys!
Get the finishing blow. Go on, go, 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 go. I'm boosting you. Go. Oh my god. Oh, he just beamed you.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Stay on him.
I just need
You
stupid.
can still go back.
No, Dream.
It's okay, just
running
keep your
and
cursor on him.
What was that? Was that his pick up? Was that string?
Hey,
What
wait,
was that?
watch
I
out
picked it
for
up.
Like stringers, like I thought it was like a trap. That is so
Yeah.
much damage.
watch out for other little doodads he may have set up.
I think I just saved his shield.
His axe like
Yeah,
half
Dream.
helps me.
Oh yeah, that did a lot.
He's placing dirt. Oh, he knows he's
Come
done.
on. I bet just took damage on the
Oh
cactus.
my god.
Another
temple?
Where all these temples keep coming from? Do not. Should we loot that temple?
What am I like stay behind? Loot it.
Yeah. Who
Oh!
wants to loot it?
Oh, he
Get him,
has to
Zephyr,
be
get him.
low. He has to be low.
There's no way he's going for it.
One juicy
No,
axe.
seriously,
He's
he
dead.
better
Oh,
not.
he just ate it. He saved a gap. He saved a gap. He's going in.
Nah.
He's going in.
Wait,
Okay, careful.
wait! Don't fall for it! Don't fall for it! Okay.
Oh,
he set it off! He
Oh,
set it off! Wait!
what?
Don't jump! Don't jump!
Yeah.
Don't jump! It's like
Oh, wait,
a
no,
no,
it's not a good idea.
fall.
It's not a good idea. It's
Wait,
not a
we
good
got-
idea.
should we save him? Should we
No,
save him?
no, don't
I
jump
can
or
see
you'll
the
break
fall.
it.
Oh my god.
It's like a
Mine,
20 block fall. Oh, that's yeah, mine. Go. Careful.
He blew up!
Where is
He blew up!
Where? Oh, he fell. Did he fall?
Go.
He's here. He's mine it. Keep mining it. Ah!
Get him!
Where'd he go? Wait,
Where'd
where'd he go?
I gotta eat food. I'm like not regenerating.
Oh,
He's right there.
Me too. Hold on, I gotta eat.
Eat food.
Okay. Wait, where is he?
He's right there. Oh, I don't want to go in there.
Careful. Anyone have oh, I wish we had
No,
TNT.
don't go down. It's a trap.
Yeah, careful. He's trying to beat us.
It's like a foot trap.
Okay, careful. Oh, he came out! He came out! What does he have? Help. I didn't make a shield.
Oh no! Hey, you just come here. Ah! Cover me! What are you guys doing?
Get him.
I'm getting him
Heal
off. He's going on the golden apple.
Break.
Come here!
No, he's
Wait, he
gonna
has a golden apple? Are you
George,
kidding?
where are you going?
George, he's coming for me. Help me.
Just get out, George!
I'm right out of blocks.
Ah! He let me
George, no!
go! Here, I'm coming. Staircase out?
Time out. You should have one in the floor.
What type of gapple did he have? Was it like a meme one? George, there's a bunch of there's some of your stuff
trying to
is
get
your
back.
thing.
What are the chords?
1579 negative 787. Write it
He's on the
down.
run.
756.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so dumb. I made a dumb decision there.
Yeah, I'm about 20-ish blocks behind you.
Okay, I'll follow you.
I need to eat though. I'm so low.
Just eat when you just eat now and then but
Okay.
Oh, we're kind of far away.
Yeah, I got your boots though.
I was a portal
Just my boots?
None of you guys used the bed I set down?
I did, but it's so far away.
He's in another.
Where'd you guys go?
He went in there. Hold on. I found lava. Oh, there's a portal here. Okay. Portal. Oh my gosh, this is like the worst nether possible. Oh, I see the bed. Wait.
My helmet's missing.
I had to pick that up.
I have your boots
It's fair,
and your
it's fair.
chest plate.
I have your helmet, George.
You have it?
You're just making new one. We have spare
Why
ones.
does he?
Why does he have all our stuff?
Give me my yellow helmet.
Here, take it. I need more wood.
You guys are going in?
Yep, go. Try not to burn though.
You pushed me. That was not my fault.
Come on, George. Alright, be careful. Watch out for memes. Oh, it's
Whoa,
buried.
what?
Yeah, it's
I
buried.
don't have a pick. Someone else needs mine.
I do. Move.
I got one.
Wait, where are we?
George, come up.
Yeah, this way.
Make a little staircase and go this way.
Oh,
You should.
it
Just
goes off.
follow it.
It's like
Wait,
different.
what was in that?
It's like a.
What is this? It's
It goes off in
maze.
different
It's
directions.
literally
What?
a maze.
Built us a maze.
Oh, he must have mined something here.
What?
What the heck? What is this? Dream. Where are
Okay,
you?
what did he do? Like tunnels. Do we mine in a direction? Do you see any way to
Well,
mine?
there's like 4 or 5 different directions. I don't know where he is. Mine that way.
Was
Yeah,
he
mine
like,
that way.
was he looking for something?
Let's mine this way.
I don't think there's anything down
Dirt over
here.
here.
Oh, there's like a cave here, but I don't think he came this way.
I don't like this.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
shouldn't be splitting. We shouldn't be splitting up.
Yeah, stay together, but
Somebody stay with me. Go in pairs.
there's
Go in
gotta
pairs.
be.
Oh, don't leave me with that.
George, stay with me.
Fine.
George, stay with me.
I found
I'm
like
trying
a
to
big.
find him.
Oh, dream.
Wait, he's like this way. I just realized we can use the compass. He's this way.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, that's a muffiny muffin.
He's like right here, George. He's like right on top of us.
Yeah, he's in
He's like
this
literally-
direction.
He's like right here, like literally.
Who just hit me?
That was me. That was me. Sorry. He's like, is he?
Found sat map. I found more tunnels, guys. Come over here.
Wait.
I don't
Wait,
think we
there's like
came through these
netherrack that was
tunnels.
just. I think he's close over here.
Come on.
Mine
No,
around
these tunnels. I don't think we came through these ones.
No, there's a new. There's a new.
Where is he?
He's got to be like right
Not
around here, like
this
hiding
way.
in a wall or something.
Yeah. No, he didn't go this way.
I'm just lost in the tunnels right now.
Yeah, I actually don't even. I don't even know where we came in anymore.
Hold on. Yeah, we need to
Oh, it's over
go
here.
back this way.
This
Oh,
is
yeah,
where we
yeah, it's
came
right
in.
here, it's
This is
right
where we came in.
He's behind me! He's right behind me! He's right behind me!
George!
George! He's here. I'm going for. Oh my goodness, he blocked. He's got
Oh
little tunnel
my
things.
God.
Mine after him.
He went
He
right.
just came out of nowhere.
There are more tunnels.
Where'd he go?
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Oh, I found him!
Where?
Oh my god!
He went
He's here,
back.
he's here.
Get him! Stay on him!
Get him!
Wait, move!
Oh my goodness! Stop letting him
Where'd he go?
close
Where'd he go? Where'd he
the
go?
things off. Stay on him. Wait,
Wait,
where'd he
what?
go?
Where is
He
he?
went up this way? He must have
Hold
done.
on, I hear him. I
Wait,
hear
what?
him.
Where is he? Oh, he must have dug into the wall.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, stand up, get
he
back,
didn't
get
go-
back, I have an idea, get back.
Where was he?
Wait, what?
Oh,
What are you
that's a
doing?
good idea.
Oh my god!
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Get him!
He's in the wall again, he's in the wall.
No, it's
Get back, get back, get back.
Back up! Back up! Back up!
Oh, put another. Yes!
Nice.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, he's in the ground,
Oh,
he's in the
there he is!
ground.
There he is!
There's right there! Look at-
He's
get
down.
him.
He's down.
Give me yours.
Do another. Do
Oh,
another.
Move! I'll do it! I'll do it! I'll do it!
No! No! Fire! No! He came out! No!
Come here, George!
Kill him, please. Please
I'm
kill him.
burning!
George,
I'm standing in
George!
fire! Yes! There was so much fire!
Are you kidding me? That's
I literally
bad.
was just glitched in fire and I
I heard
couldn't
like
move.
1 heart after that bed.
Where do I go? Like, there's nowhere to go. I don't even know how to get out in the nether. I'm never gonna find this stupid fortress.
My goodness. Does anyone know where a you-know-what is?
Yeah, there's one.
Yeah,
There's one this way. We passed one, I think.
Which
Oh my
direction?
gosh, where do I go? Like, I actually don't know where to go. Like, I'm like stuck in the nether, like in the netherrack. And I don't even know how to, like, how am I gonna get back to my port? Oh, this is gonna be so dumb. This is gonna be so dumb.
Tell me if either of you guys find one.
Oh, you guys made a little tunnel out. Hey!
He found it.
No. Well, we had to deal with this muffin head who was hiding in the wall like a groundhog.
Oh my
Groundhog
god.
dream.
Like a
I got
groundhog.
memed by fire.
If he sees his shadow, it means you die. I mean, I guess if we don't find one, we can do like a different plan, but I really think this might be our best bet. Fortress! Let's go! You guys know, yeah, okay, we need a whatchamacallit first. Okay, I'm here, I'm here. Okay. First things first. I'm the realist. Okay.
First things first, block
I'm the
them all in. Okay.
I've seen you twice in a row with that, bud.
Huh?
He's hit you with the meme.
We're gonna need a ton of wood too.
Alright, just start getting it.
Yeah. Everybody go mining. We need to cut down this whole forest.
Alright.
Did I kill it?
Yeah, kill it, get the pearls.
Wait, it's one again.
Oh, wait, what? No, that's dumb. I just found a blaze spawner and there's no spawner. You guys have not been here. So, like, there's no way you guys broke it or something.
Oh no, yeah, there's a chance that
Oh
the
yeah,
spawner
no,
isn't-
yeah, we
isn't there.
we broke that.
You're so stupid. You didn't break
No,
it.
we visited it and we broke them all.
Oh yeah,
Did not
Samnap.
see
We
one.
sent Samnap out on a journey.
Dream, watch this. You watching?
Yeah.
Yay!
What a deal. Are you trading with villagers?
Hey, cat.
What?
Hello, Mr.
Have you seen the
Cow.
price of the stick trade?
Yeah, he raises prices quite a bit.
You know
That is
this guy
unreal.
bargained
Ah,
with us?
you're doing.
Did
Oh,
someone-
you're just trading with the Fletcher.
Yes. I don't know what you're talking about, good sir. What are you trading for? You're always trying to get arrows, a bunch of arrows. You're gonna bow spam me or something. Yeah, exactly. I think he's trading. Jim's trading. No, I'm not trading. We're both trading. Here, put this guy in a hole somewhere, because he is not a good villager. Getting exiled to the hole? Yeah, exile this villager. Give me something good to eat. I need pearls. Good news is it's taking him forever. It is. It's taking me. It's like the longest nether I've ever had.
We need time, so it's fine.
Yeah, you can take as long as you need. Villagers. There's more. And then my hole. Get out. Stop saying that. What? There's no. Literally, come over here and look. All right, I believe you. Oh my goodness! Finally. Okay, I got it. You. Who has the shiny things? Did you get them? You use the sticks? Yeah. Okay.
Well, I didn't, but.
Oh my goodness. Give me some. I can catch up. Give me a second.
Yeah, lead the way, Ed.
Ooh, okay. Here we go. Finally! Oh my gosh. You guys are gonna lose.
No.
I don't think we are.
Going to lose.
Yeah, you're gonna lose.
A real unfortunate situation.
But in a 4v1, don't worry. I'll already be in the stronghold by the time you even.
Okay.
What? What do you guys left a compass in a chest?
Wait, really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't even put this chest here.
Dream, you're gonna get muffled so bad.
Look.
Oh
course I
look. Hi.
What?
Hi.
Hello.
I
What?
haven't seen you in a while.
Oh, we don't need these.
Oh my god.
Go ahead and hit me.
Oh,
hit
he's
me.
lying.
Oh,
He's
no,
got
no, no.
crit twice.
You're
Don't let him
full
get the
enchanted,
dolphin.
all of you.
Finish him off.
Oh, he's gonna get the
He's got
dolphin.
a dolphin.
Did he get it?
I'm making a boat.
Wait,
Oh my goodness. Dang it.
Wait.
Our OP armor.
Wait,
You
is
didn't
he
even
gonna
get
run
the
away.
enchanting achievement. That's glitched.
We just
Get
know
my
a
boat,
really
Ant.
good
we
glitch.
never enchanted.
No, that's what?
Go,
You
go,
never
go.
enchanted.
Batty's right there. Batty's right there on the shore.
Oh, go,
Yeah,
go, go.
We literally never enchanted. That's
Go
not
ahead, hit
even
me,
a lie.
hit me.
What?
Oh my gosh!
You know what? Watch
He
this.
does like
Let me
nothing!
1v1 Dream. Let me 1v1 Dream. Let me
Oh my
1v1 Dream.
gosh.
Dream, you want a 1v1? Like a fair 100%.
You have full enchanted armor.
No, no.
Yeah,
Guys,
do
back
it,
up,
do it,
back
do
up,
it, do
back
it.
No, there's no
1v1.
trick. No trick.
No,
1v1.
you're
1v1, me
you're
versus
trying to
you.
trick me.
Yeah, yeah,
Go up, go
yeah.
up,
Hey, 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 don't run, don't
No,
run.
you're literally trying to
No,
trick
no,
me.
Go up, bad,
One v
just go up, bad build up.
You know what, Dream?
Oh
I won't
my
even
God.
use a shield. Fair
There's
1v1.
you're just gonna.
No way.
There's some kind of trick.
Just
not
fight
lying.
him. Fight him.
Let's go.
What? How are you not dead? What? I've crit you like 6 times.
You're so weak, Dream.
Oh my God. Oh!
He's on fire.
I'm gonna kill you with bread, Dream.
What? What enchantments do your armor have?
Prop 4 iron armor.
No, you're kidding. Prop
No,
4.
he's being serious.
No, that's a joke. What?
Come on, Dream, fight us.
Come here.
Just fight us. Come on.
Here, I
Come
will.
on.
I will only hit you with
What?
bread.
You traded with the librarian villager?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh,
You'll have to
Dream.
wait to find out at the
Wait.
end.
What?
Where are you going, Dream? Come here.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to fight us?
How? I can't even. What do I do? I
Die.
critted like
Fight
10
us.
times. Like I couldn't even
Die.
kill him.
That's
Fight
a
us
good
with
option.
your dignity. Come on.
Just
Here,
just
here.
have some
We'll-
honor.
I can't
only
fight.
Hit you with food. Okay. We
No,
will
no,
literally.
No. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
I wasn't even low at all.
Let's do-
Dream, just
Wait,
accept
where?
death. That's all you can do. Just fight like a man and go
Here,
down.
I'm gonna boost you. Get it.
Oh, he brought it, he brought it, he brought it, he brought it!
Oh no, you don't.
Oh, he's brought again,
Oh
he
my
brought again.
God.
Oh
How
my
many
God,
ender
he
pearls
was
does
just
he
He's
have?
wasting his pearls.
Okay,
It's fine. He's
Alright,
it's
that's
fine.
fine.
just
He's the trader.
track him to where
He's
he's
just
going.
gonna make it harder on himself.
Are you gonna go in the ocean, Dream? You really think delaying the inevitable will work? Like, come on.
Come on. Oh, come on.
How you have prop 4 armor? That's just
All we
ridiculous.
want to do is surround you and then beat you to death while you do no damage to us. How many
Love
hearts
that.
were you guys taking? I was taking like half a
Literally,
heart.
he was critting me doing like a heart and a half.
Yeah, it's been hard enough.
I love it. He's done. Wait, he's like.
Dream, just
Where did he
just
go?
accept death, Dream.
So far
Accept
away.
death.
This is like where we found him. He's heading back to where we found him.
Where's he going?
Ooh. Ooh. Wait, everybody right click this?
Yeah, yeah.
I think you
Wait.
went in the nether.
Wait, he went into the nether?
Yeah, he did.
Let's go after
Oh,
him. Let's
yeah,
go
he's
after him.
not
Come on.
tracking us.
Oh my God.
Hold on, wait. Don't go in, don't go in. Hold on. Why would he go back into the nether? That doesn't make any sense.
Because he had nowhere to run.
I-
I say
no.
we go.
No.
I say we just go in
No,
there.
no,
Maybe
no,
he
no,
needs
no,
more
no, no,
balls.
That's not start.
That's literally what he wants us to do. He probably set a trap. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, because
Look,
if
guys,
I was
I know-
him, I would just go in the boat and get in the ocean, not like go
I know
in
this
back
sounds
in the
dumb
nether.
bad, but I think we should just go in there. We're literally
Why?
so stacked. I just feel like anything he throws at us, our armor will be able to take it.
I think so
Are you
too,
sure? Like,
but
how could,
I'm
what are ways he
worried
could kill us if we go through?
because that's the thing. It doesn't make sense why he would go back into the nether. Like, why wouldn't he try and set up a trap out here or something?
Maybe he needed more
Exactly.
balls.
We use some. No, we are decked out. We could use.
I think we
No,
should
we're
be
good.
fine.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Go.
Oh no, no!
should've
Don't
said
go
the
back
maze
in the
from before.
maze again.
Yeah,
It's
no,
fine.
no,
It's
no,
fine.
No, this is the
It's fine,
maze.
guys.
Hey, keep your eyes peeled.
Don't get
Watch out, we got big ones.
Who hit the big Oh no.
Don't
Don't
want
worry, no, we don't have gold. We don't have gold. We don't have gold.
Just go, keep going. It's the pig.
Good luck, Ant.
Just run this way.
Maybe
guys.
good luck, Ant. Help me.
This
Lock
way,
yourself
guys. Come
in.
on. Quit fighting the stuff. Let's just
You
run.
have cut 4. You won't die.
Yeah,
Oh
you're
my
not
god.
cauldrons. You're gonna hit me into the abyss.
Oh my god. There you go.
This way, guys. Come on. Quit being stupid.
We're coming. Do you know he went this way? We have
Yeah.
no clue. Oh, look. This is the one he traded with.
Okay.
See? Because there's
Doesn't
one
matter.
just in a pit.
That's
Okay,
a
so he
baby.
was around
Who
here.
cares? Follow the compass this way. Dad just gets distracted by the silliest things.
No, I'm saying there was one in
Wait,
a
he's
pit.
over
That's probably
here.
the one he
He's
traded
over
with.
this way. Wait, he's like below us or above us right here.
Yeah. I don't see anything.
I think he's up here.
No, I think he went. Yeah,
He might be in the ground again.
Yeah, look in the ground. Maybe he's hiding.
He could be above or
in
below
there.
us. Like, should I use a bed? I'm gonna use a bed.
Put one down.
He's like right around here, but like,
Okay, hold on, wait. Why are we even? Hold on. No, guys, we're meaning this. If we actually spend, like, that's what he wants us to do. He wants us to spend like 3 hours looking for him in the nether. Okay, let's just go back. We'll wait for him to come out. Because
Alright,
we're just
fine.
gonna get lost, and then he's gonna slip
yeah,
out.
he's got to
and
through
then
the
we're
portal.
gonna
He
get
needs to be straight outside.
yeah. Let's wait for him to come out, and then we'll kill him. Dream, come out.
We can wait here all
We
day.
need
for
to
you.
kill you. How much do you want to bet, guys, that he's in there just like cowering, trying to think of what to do? Oh my gosh. He's like, what do I do? I've
Bad,
never
seriously,
used
that
it.
dolphin.
Here, okay, so Dream, we're all gonna walk away from the portal.
So you're free for now. Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys, follow me. Let's go.
I'm following you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna come out.
Wait. Okay, Dream. We all walked like 300 blocks away, and we're still walking away.
Yeah, okay, I'm sure.
We're not anywhere near.
Okay.
Any day now.
I'll come out. Just make sure that you're nowhere near the portal.
Okay.
Of course.
Like
We're not
absolutely
anywhere
nowhere.
near the portal, so you can come out. No, we're like 500 blocks away.
You're probably right next to it.
No,
You're
we're
literally
not.
standing next to it, aren't you?
Literally, come on, come out.
Okay. I'm coming out.
Dream.
I'm gonna come out.
We are not near the portal. We are so far away. It's crazy how far we are.
I'm at 1450 -20.
Wait, there's no way.
Wait.
Is he?
Dude, look at his compass. He's actually in the overworld. What?
Where?
Track him.
Track him.
What? He's like 800 blocks away.
Wait,
how did he
how
get
did-
so far?
Did he build another portal? He had to have,
You
right?
said negative.
Yeah,
20,
I'm ready to
right?
fight. Come and fight me.
Yeah.
I'm ready to
That's
fight you.
800 blocks away. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, come fight me. Come fight me. I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Okay, we're
Oh,
running.
now you're feeling
I'm ready to fight you.
confident. So then, what else could he have gotten that he could kill us? Is there anything he could have?
One thing. Confidence. Confidence. Confidence.
Confidence.
Oh.
Okay, that's it. You're going
Alright,
down.
we're gonna
Mr.
whoop
Just for that. You are going to get the beat down.
You see
You
it?
guys see that?
Oh, I see that.
What are your chords exactly?
Bad, look ahead
Ooh,
of you.
there's a portal. Yeah, I see it.
Yes, Bad. Tell him. Just
Where
blurt
is
it
he?
out.
Well, he told us his chords and the lines up with the portal.
He's right there. He's by the portal.
Is he
Oh,
actually
never mind.
there?
I don't want to fight anymore. I don't want to fight anymore.
Oh yeah,
Hold
run
on,
it.
wait.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna wait for you
Let's
guys.
go.
Wait
let's
for
go,
us, wait
let's
for us.
go.
Going together,
Let's all go
going
in the
together.
center. Come on,
Alright, stand up,
come
step
on,
up,
come on.
George, hurry up.
Go.
Three,
Yeah,
two,
that-
one,
Get
go.
in.
Oh, you were gonna get muffin.
What the heck?
Where
What?
are we? What?
Get him.
Now you have nowhere to run. You have nowhere to run.
Wait, what?
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 You have nowhere to run, Tree.
You have nowhere to run.
No, you have nowhere to run. How did you get
How
up
do you
here?
Yeah, how do you what?
You can do
Oh
this.
my
in
God.
You're on the roof?
Okay, kill him. Just kill him. Let's meme this muffin head. Come here, Dream.
Leave me alone.
Wait,
Just leading
How
us
we-
in the middle of nowhere.
how are we like getting out of
Wait,
it?
it's going back
He's
to the
in
portal.
there.
Oh, no. Stop him!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No!
Catch me.
Wait. Was the portal this way?
Oh my god, he's in the
Get up, Flint Steel.
Are you kidding?
Who has a flame steel?
I don't have one.
I don't have it.
Does anyone have
Oh
gravel?
my god.
Do you have it?
Does anyone have gravel?
I used it up on cooking food.
I don't have any gravel.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness! I have no iron. Does it?
What
No one
did
has
you
gravel
do?
or iron.
What?
No one
George,
has
where did you
flint.
get the Flint Steel? That was your job.
I used it up on the food.
How else can we light it? Does anyone have
Bye.
planks or
I'll see you at
planks
the
and lava?
stronghold.
I don't have any lava.
I don't have any lava.
Lava.
Ah! How do you light it? Isn't there's got to be
Are
another
there
way?
ghasts? Are there ghasts that spawn up here?
No,
Guess what
gas
spawns
stoves
on
are
top of the
all
nether?
everywhere.
Nothing.
Oh my god.
Nothing does.
Are you serious?
Nothing.
No. We literally cannot get mean like that.
And Frost.
What? Wait, what? What's the method?
There's only one way, Bad.
What? Do not
Stop
hit
now.
me.
There's only one way.
Why are you
Bad.
hitting
gotta,
me?
You gotta
Do
go to
not
the
hit.
overworld.
Why?
Bad.
Yes!
You gotta go to the
What is
overworld
wrong
one
with
way or
you
the other.
people? Stop!
George,
Bad,
get
I'm
him.
helping you. I'm helping
They're
you,
killing
Bad.
me. Okay,
That's the only way out. It's the only way
What?
out.
they are literally betraying us. What are you
Get him,
doing?
get George,
It's
get
the only
George,
way
get
out,
George.
Bad.
It's the only way.
No,
Sorry, George.
guys, we have Pro 5 armor.
It's okay.
doesn't
It's
matter,
the
we
only
got
way.
better
Wait.
It's literally the
No.
only way. George,
Wait.
stop running. You need to
Oh
die.
my goodness, are you kidding?
And Frost, at least team on stand up with me. Team on stand up with me.
Wait.
Bad. Hey,
Wait,
we've been together
guys,
the whole
hold on.
time. You can't betray
Guys,
me.
wait.
What that?
Don't kill each other. Listen.
Oh my
I will
gosh, that
get
works so
flint and steel,
perfectly.
and I'll come back to you. Okay?
Okay, well hurry then.
Oh
I'm sorry, Ant. It's gonna take too long.
No.
No.
We can wait for him. We can wait for him.
Yeah, just wait.
Ant,
I'm
Stop,
almost
stop!
Ant, it's gonna
there. You
take too
muffin.
It's
It's-
gonna take too long.
It's gonna take longer to get Prop 5 back.
No, we need the Prop 5. We need
No,
it.
don't.
Stand up, stop killing him. Samnab, what are you doing?
Samnab!
Why?
It's
Stop!
gonna take too long. George, you're next.
Stand up. We have flint and
Stand
steel.
up, get off
we found
me.
a ruined portal.
Okay,
we
alright,
have flint and
fine,
steel. Do not kill him.
why you do
Hey,
kill
we're on our
Ant?
way. Alright? Okay, I'm at the portal.
Come on,
Alright,
get
I'm
us
coming
out,
through.
Get us out.
Get us
coming.
through.
And... Wait, what? Hold on.
No.
Dad?
It put me in the same portal, the one with the bed explosion.
Oh my god.
What?
Are we stuck?
Yes, it's
There's
oh
no
my
way
goodness,
out.
it's because the portal's broken.
out.
Are we stuck?
There is no way out. You're trapped.
Wait for us to get to you then.
Oh my goodness. How,
So we're
how do you
stuck.
get on top of the
You
nether?
gotta lose all
Is there
your
really
stuff.
no way out?
I don't know. Hold on, let me try going back
Dream, is
through
there
it.
Wait, what are
no way
your-
out?
What are your chords? What are your chords, Bad?
Alright, you muffins are gonna have to... We'll get your
George,
armor.
we'll just jump at the same time.
Stand up.
Okay. Same time.
Well,
Ready?
okay,
We're close to the
3.
village. We're close to the village.
Oh, this is so dumb.
Yeah, we're almost
3.
there.
Ah!
Oh, we survived.
I survived the fire.
Hurry up, take your-
Prop 4 is
Hurry,
too
you
OP.
muffins.
You guys are taking so long.
We're trying.
Okay, listen, we just jumped from so high up.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Hurry. Stop! Die!
It's actually so dumb. Like, that's like, that's such a.
Oh
dumb
my god,
tactic.
finally. Oh my gosh, this took
You-
forever to find.
And you had this like TNT thing to like just trap us in there.
I will say,
it
I
is
was
creative.
not expecting that.
Oh,
we
no.
gotta go. We have to
Seriously?
go.
We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. Bad, come on. We gotta go back.
Okay, I found it. Here, go in. Go to the village. Alright.
Yeah. Just grab everything. Just grab everything. We can
Do
run
you
back really
think,
fast.
do we have time to get more? I don't
No.
think we do.
We don't have time. We don't have time.
Alright. Here, take
No, I'm good.
He's stuck in the portal already.
Alright. I don't think we have enough time for anything else. What else would we need? Anything? Or are we
Bad,
good?
nothing. Let's go.
And ground is good. Alright, go, 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 go.
Let's go, Bad. I know. Let's go.
How far do you think he is?
Far.
The ocean is massive.
Oh my god.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is
That's
fine.
good for us, though. That's good for us.
Can you guys see that?
He's through.
Go, 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 go. Right here, guys.
Okay.
Right here. Oh my god.
George, hurry.
I'm
Go, go,
trying.
go. Come on, come on.
Put it back down. Put it back down.
Ooh, here, I brought one. Guys, sleep in it? Wait, 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 hold on.
I went in a different way. I'm trying to get over to you.
Everybody use it?
Boom!
Everybody ready?
We need George. George, get over
Wait,
here.
I'm
should we
like
just
in a
go
different
in?
place.
No, wait,
George,
for
get
George.
over
George,
here.
where are you? I have some wood.
Come
go,
on,
go.
come
Where is
fight
he?
me!
Oh, I see him.
He's right here.
Come
Where,
and
where,
get
where,
me!
He's got a bow. He's got a bow.
Watch out.
Come and
He
get
almost
me!
hit me off. Bad's glowing.
Yeah, we don't have prot. Oh, he's got spectral arrows. Neat.
Oh my god, leave me alone!
Neat.
Oh, I don't have a shield. I forgot to make one.
Just
Bad.
walk.
He's trying
Oh,
to
the
get
jacket's
me.
going
These
down.
are poison arrows.
Oh, hello, Dream. You may have ruined our Prot 5 plan, but you still have to deal with forest. Good luck.
Come on.
Yeah, Bad. Our top fight.
Yeah, we've been here before, guys. We can win.
Oh, here, he's
What?
gonna ender pearl.
Wait, where'd he go?
Oh my god!
Oh, it's the ender.
Did he ender pearl?
Wait, where is
No,
he?
he's hiding. He's hiding right here. Oh, I'm
Did he
gonna
paw?
get into the void if I.
Come on, wait. Get away
I
from the
placed
edge.
water. I placed
Stop
water.
up, give me
I
water. He's
placed-
like right here.
I don't want you
No.
to fall in.
Guys, get away from the edge. He's.
Where did he
Put
go?
it down. Put it down. Put the water. Put the water. Down. He's like mining this with here, but not in the.
I'm listening. I don't hear it. You hear me? Wait, is here? I'm all the way up. Wait, you hear him mining us? Yeah, I can hear it. You're listening, George? he down there with you?
He's like right here though.
Okay, so he's down there with you.
Slide around.
Help me!
Block.
With what shield? Here. Right here. How are you still aggroing them? Oh my, what that bad? There's like 4 Endermen on. Wait, what? There's actually like 5 Endermen on me. Can you please kill them? Yeah, just keep running. I'm running. You can just kill them. I'll kill them.
Oh, yeah, let's go back.
Why are there so many? I don't know, but we're gonna get a bunch of ender pearls. Just keep running. Oh, nice. Good work.
Where is
I really need help, bad.
Spread out, guys. Spread out and look for him. And then just call when you see him.
Just once we see him, just meme him. Should I start destroying the crystals? No, you shouldn't.
Okay, just keep running around. I'm telling you, the best thing to do is spread out. It's probably along the edges. Oh my god, that's so much damage.
I don't know what to do. How many crystals are left, actually? Do a head count.
They're all there.
1, 2.
Unless he got. Oh, he could have got some when he came in.
Yeah,
Actually.
I think he got some because I don't think there's one there. Ooh, hold on. I think I saw someone behind the pillar. Was that one of you guys?
Oh wait, no. Some of them are broken.
Okay, that's the
Where?
ant. That was you. It was you.
Yeah, I'm just circling around looking for him.
George is over there. Ant's
Yeah,
over
actually,
there.
quite a few of them. Quite a few of them are broken. Yeah, like 1, 2. Oh, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are broken.
Tap
How do you
map.
break 5? We went in like almost 3 after.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's tap map. Where is he?
I'm telling you, he's gonna be on the outer edges. He has to.
Yeah, he's gotta be up on the outer edges.
I'm looking.
I'm just making loops around the outer edges.
Yeah, me too. Like, he's gotta like sneak up the side of one.
Dream. You have to come out
You're literally
eventually.
you're never gonna find me.
Okay, but you have to come out.
I don't have to come out at all.
Okay, but you can't just hide for like 10 hours.
I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
We just gotta start mining and finding.
Isn't there a rule about that?
I fell. Guys, there's Enderman on me. I'm
Are
really
you
low.
serious?
George, why? Look down. Why
George,
is it
stop
the ground?
looking
just-
at
you're
the
never-
Enderman.
You're actually never gonna
please.
find me. Like I'm just letting you know. Like I found the best hiding place ever.
Guys, get them
ever,
off
man.
me.
Okay, but you
trying.
have to come out though.
I don't have to come out of anything.
Okay, well, eventually we win.
Oh my
That's
god.
not true. If you give up by leaving,
at the
then
8-hour
you
mark,
lose.
we win.
Does
not-
he have food?
That's a new rule. It's a new rule.
Does anyone have food for me?
You can't actually hide them.
Yeah, here.
Whoa, guys!
The dragon's almost
Who's killing it?
What? Go back, bad, hurry. Oh my
Get in! He's in the middle, he's killing it!
Kill him! Back, kill him!
Come on, come on.
No,
Run, run, run.
get him!
Stop him,
Throw the dragon! Ah, there's still a dragon! No!
Who's killing what? Go back, bad, hurry. Oh my god, get in! He's in the middle, he's killing it! Kill him! Kill him! Come on, no, get him! Throw the dragon!
Yes!
Yes!
Oh my god, no.
Goodness!
How did we let that happen?
How did we lose?
How?
Yes!
We're literally watching! How did he get to the middle? How?
No!
Are you kidding?
Yes!
How?
Bad, look at
Yes!
What?
Yes!
I the end page.
That is ridiculous.
You really just one cycle the dragon, dude?
It barely even works on Spigot. It's so glitched.